Now I'm going to discuss with you the reasons as to why separation of power not exist today. In practice, ladies and gentlemen, it is only the functional distribution of powers which is operative, and the theory of separation of power does not exist because of the following reasons. Ladies and gentlemen, all the constitutions of the world, including American Constitution, give provision for three organs of state but suggest little as to how and by whom the boundaries among their powers are to be drawn. The inference drawn from the doctrine of separation of power in various ways have complicated the delegation of functions by legislative bodies to other agencies. It was considered as an obstacle both to the exercise of rule-making power of bodies other than legislature. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a wide gulf between the political doctrine of separation of power and its application in practice. The legislature cannot delegate its power to make a law, but it can make a law to delegate a power to determine some fact or state of things upon which the law makes or intends to make. Its own action depends. To deny this would be to stop the wheels of government. Now I'm going to discuss with you a case which would throw some light on this concept. In City of Wakong versus Pollution Control Board 1974, the Supreme Court held that it has been generally recognized that separation of power does not forbid se murad hai mamnu qarar dena, every exercise of function by one branch of government which conventionally is exercised by another branch. In another case, which is FTC versus Ruby Rod Company, Jackson J. Appoint. Jackson J. जज हैं जिन्होंने ओपाइन किया है, राय दी है. उनकी राय ये है, the administrative bodies have become a fourth branch of the government which has deranged our three branch legal theories. जो जैक्सन जे है वो ये कह रहा है कि हमारी जो थ्योरी थी कि ऑर्गन्स ऑफ स्टेट 3 हैं, अब ये ऑर्गन ऑफ स्टेट 4 हैं, जिसमें जो फोर्थ ऑर्गन ऑफ स्टेट है दैट इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एजेंसी. तो ट्रेडिशनल जो कॉन्सेप्ट था सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर का बिटवीन 3 ऑर्गन ऑफ स्टेट वो खत्म हो चुका है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू अनदर केस जो कि फौजी फाउंडेशन वर्सेस शमीमुर रहमान का है. इसमें लिखा है, जो मोहम्मद हलीम हैं, उन्होंने जो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैं, उन्होंने कहा द एब्सेंस ऑफ क्लियर डिमार्केशन ऑफ जुडिशियल पावर as a constitutional safeguard in the realm of separation of powers and the difficulty of protecting it from encroachment by the legislature of the executive, and the question does not seem to be resolved by the application of separation of power theory. Accordingly, in the case of every enactment, it will be an open question as to whether an enactment is an exercise of judicial power by the legislature where separation of powers are constitutionalized. Ladies and gentlemen, in theory there is still the constitutionalized principle of separation of power, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस में सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर की जो थ्योरी है वो इस तरह प्रॉपरली इम्प्लीमेंटेड नहीं है, बल्कि जो प्रैक्टिकली जो अप्रोचेबल थ्योरी ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर है वो इम्प्लीमेंटेड की जाती है.